I'm going to do something simple today. Sometimes I do complex recipes, but today I feel like doing something simple. I'm just going to cook a lamb chop, which I'm going to drape with some pesto that I made yesterday. I don't need to show you how to make pesto because I've got videos on YouTube showing how to make pesto. And then I'm going to serve that with some pan-fried broccoli, something I really, really love. So let's make this grilled lamb chop. I have a rack of lamb that I bought at Costco. I like their racks of lamb. I'm going to cut these into single chops. Most of the chops I'm going to vacuum seal and put in the freezer. I'm going to use one chop for my dinner today. So there it is. I cut off one piece, single lamb chop. That's enough for one serving. The rest of these I'll cut up a little bit later, and as I said, I'll vacuum seal these and freeze these to enjoy later. I'm going to put my chop on there. Pretty big pan for one small chop. And I oiled that with safflower oil because it's a good high temperature oil. You can heat that up to 500 degrees before, over 500 degrees before it starts to smoke. It's got a high smoke point. And I'm going to cook this to what I like, rare, medium rare, which is about 125 degrees. That's about 52 degrees Celsius. Talk about a simple meal. This took only minutes to cook because it's not a thick piece of lamb. And then, as I said, I love broccoli. Plenty of broccoli on there. Another favorite is Brussels sprouts. One more bit of preparation I forgot to mention. It's the reason why I made pesto in the first place. I want to put some homemade pesto on my lamb. I'll even put a little bit more on the side to enjoy with my dinner. There it is. And it didn't take but minutes to make. This is going to taste so good, and it's pink inside, so it's just about right. Medium rare, very tender, I'm sure. Yes. Pesto goes so well with the flavor of lamb. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my dinner of a grilled lamb chop with pesto and grilled or pan-fried broccoli.